Habs Technologies. Innovation for a connected future.
Every transformation begins with imagination.
Habs Technologies SL Limited is an African technology company with a global vision, creating innovative solutions for the future. We combine creativity, technology, and innovation to build solutions that empower businesses and communities. Driven by innovation and a global vision, Habs Technologies creates technology ecosystems that connect people, businesses, and opportunities for the future.
We are building an ecosystem where imagination transforms into real-world solutions.
Our AI and automation division creates intelligent tools and dependable workflows that help organizations work faster, smarter, and more efficiently.
We design websites, mobile applications, secure portals, operational dashboards, and enterprise platforms built for clarity, performance, and reliable growth.
Habs Market connects sellers, customers, payments, logistics, and operations through one scalable commerce infrastructure built for growing markets. Our creative technology division develops content systems, digital assets, and production workflows that unite creativity, media, and engineering. We connect authentication, payments, analytics, cloud storage, and integrations into secure infrastructure designed for dependable digital operations.
Through Habs Labs, we explore prototypes, research, and future platforms, transforming bold ideas into technologies ready for tomorrow.
Together, our specialized divisions deliver complete digital solutions across strategy, engineering, platforms, infrastructure, commerce, creativity, and ongoing operations.
Africa-rooted and globally focused, we build secure, production-ready technology from Sierra Leone for organizations and growing markets worldwide. Build boldly with technology. Discover what Habs Technologies can create for your organization. Habs Technologies. Imaginations in motion.